Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock Instagram on school Chromebook. So in order to do that, go to your web browser and open a new page. And what you'll need to do is right click right here and select this option, add page. And right here at name, we are going to type in unblocker, and at URL, you'll have to insert this link that I'll drop it in the description of this video and then hit save. So what we are going to do next is go to our bookmarks list, and we'll have to select unblocker, and we'll have to open as many pages as you can right here, about 40 or 50 pages. So basically this will cause the computer to load up to load up basically even more harder. And after you do this, you'll just have to go to instagram.com, and basically the Instagram will show up right here. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.